Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to stake the Pancake Bunny on your Trust Wallet application step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to be clicking on Google Chrome, and once it opens up, you're going to coinmarketcap.com, and the token of interest for today is the Pancake Bunny coin or token. So what we're simply going to do is copy its contract address. That's because we're going to have to activate the coin on our Trust Wallet for those of us who can't find it on Trust Wallet. By simply minimizing the Chrome application, we'll head over to Trust Wallet, input our passcode as usual. Once the passcode has been put in, we'll be clicking on this toggle to the top right corner of the screen, and you can simply search for Pancake Bunny, and it might not show up. So what you simply have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the tokens menu and click on Add Custom Token. Click on Ethereum, like the position for Ethereum, and exchange it for or change it for Smart Chain. Paste the contract address. The name pops up, that's a Bunny token, Bunny, and you click on Done, and it shows up. And what you're simply going to be doing is, once this is done, you're going to be heading over to the wallet menu again, and you're going back to the bottom right corner of the screen. That's the D app section, and you're going to Pancake Swap, because before you can make any staking transactions on Trust Wallet, you actually need to have a good amount of the token. So this part is for those who don't have the token. I'm going to show you how to buy the token on Trust Wallet by simply swapping it out for some other coins. You click on BTCB and still wait for the site to load up. Traffic is really heavy on Pancake Swap, so you click on the wallet address you just copied. You give it some time to fetch the coin. You click on Bunny. Bunny loads up. Okay guys, we'll be making use of either Ethereum or the USDT token. That's a USDT. Once you've clicked on USDT, we're going to be using about $1. And $1 worth of Bunny is equivalent to 11 Bunny. Click on Enable USDT. A smart contract call pops up. You click on Approve. It's going to activate the swap option. Your slippage tolerance doesn't actually have to be at 10%. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be any percentage you'd like. So let's start out with 1. Let's start out with 1, and we click on swap, and we click on confirm swap. Another contract call pops in, approve, and we wait, and boom, it's done. Add Bunny to wallet. You click on that. Click on close. Close your pancakeswap.finance. Reload your tokens menu. And the Bunny application is made available to you. Here is 11 Bunny. You head over to the D app section. You scroll down. You scroll up and enter the website or URL. What I'm going to be using is Pancake Bunny. Pancake Bunny .finance. not on the Ethereum network. Quickly change this to a smart chain. It will instantly reload. You click on Pancake BUNNY.finance. You give it some time to load in. And once it's loaded in, you click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen, and your wallet would be connected automatically. So let me just sign out and manually click on Connect Wallet. Click on Trust Wallet, and boom, your wallet is connected as simple as can be. You close and you scroll down and click on Approve Bunny. Click on Approve. Input the amount you'd like to stake. That would be, call it 10 Bunny. Approve Bunny again. Approve. Click on Stake. And then you're to pay a gas fee of about 0.87 BNB. This is to help you stake your bunny on pancakebunny.finance. So you click on approve and give it a moment, I guess. And boom, your coin has been staked. You can view your profit over time. You can view your profit in bunny. You can view your profit in cake. So you can leave it for as long as you want to. And if you come to this section here, you could simply withdraw or claim and withdraw your bunny. That's the bunny you've staked so far. Alright guys, thank you for joining into today's video. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to stake the Pancake Bunny on your Trust Wallet application.